Cloud hosting is an exciting new technology which is a scalable and cost-effective way of renting servers by the hour, where you can scale up and scale down and only pay for what you're using. So cloud hosting is relevant for startups and SMEs because every company needs a website, and quite often these days you might have an online shop or something on your website, and so it would need to be relatively complex, and therefore you would need to have a whole server behind that. Quite a lot of SMEs don't necessarily have very much cash flow, or don't have the funds up front to buy a server outright, and they don't want to sign up to a long-term contract for a server of a fixed size because you don't know how your actual growth is going to match to what you've predicted. So traditionally, you would get the choice between a very cheap shared hosting solution, which is very inflexible and doesn't give you any control over what you're doing, or you could have a more expensive dedicated server where you get full control of the server, but you do have to get locked into a long-term contract and you end up with a fixed piece of hardware. So with cloud hosting, what we're doing is giving you the best of both worlds, so you can have a low upfront cost of entry, but still get all the control of your server and the ability to scale up and down as you need it, as your company grows. We're actually very competitive on price, so our minimum price point starts from about £30 a month, or 4p per hour if you're paying by the hour, whereas a dedicated server would be a lot more than that. We've got a free trial on our website, so if you go to www.elastichosts.com, then sign up for the free trial. All the information's there. It's actually a fully featured trial, so you can do everything on there as you would if you would purchase the system, and also you can do a seamless transition from once you've used your trial and you're happy with it, you can then just start paying, and it will go from there.